Hi guys! Good morning! For today's video, papakilala ko sa inyo ang bagong miyembro ng aming family. There you go. Hello, Lily! She's the new member of our family. Look at that! Lily! Say hello, Lily! She's 4 months old. Lily! Hello! Hello, Lily! So, siya ay isang Congo African Grey. Isa sa pinakamatalinong ibon sa buong mundo. Lily! Finally! You're home! Tingnan nyo naman siya. Ang cute-cute niya. Ang cute-cute din ng kanyang presyo. Nakakalula. But worth it. Lily? Ang tahimik niya lang, hindi katulad nung isa na. Ito, si Riley ay sobrang maingay. Kabaliktaran sila ng aming Lily. Say hello, Riley. Hello. What's up? Teach Lily, huh? Be good to Lily. She's your sister. Right, Lily? Lily, love you. I love you, Lily. Why you're so cute? Ang cute-cute niya. May jet lag pa yan siya dahil last night lang siya dumating. Galing New Jersey. Lily? Mailap pa siya. La la la. Mama! Mama! I'm gonna take care of you, Lily. Welcome! Our Lily.